Hello everyone, I'm Ethan with Scanlily, and today we're going to be taking a look at alerts and flags in Scanlily. Let's go ahead and open up our app and head on over to the items page. Once we've done that, we see we have AA batteries here at the top. Let's use that as our example for today. If we click on our item, we see the item type is currently set to consumable, giving us these fields down below, one of those fields being flag. So this is a very useful field if you ever need to flag an item for any reason. So if we click on the drop down, we can see we can flag it if it's broken, we need to dispose of it, it's lost, need to recharge, all these different things that are extremely useful. So in this case, let's flag it as need to recharge. In this case, we will see this flag come up in our different filters and in our reports. Now that we've looked at flag, let's go ahead and check out alerts. If we click on the Scanlily icon in the bottom right hand corner, we can click on alert and add an alert for this item. If we click add alert, we can see all the different reasons we might want to add an alert. Some of those being if the cost falls below or goes above a certain value, goes past the expiration date, or in our case, if it gets flagged. So if we click flag, we will get an alert, a notification if the item is flagged. We can even set what groups this notification will go out to, but for this one, let's just do ourselves. After we hit set, this alert has been set, and because we already flagged the item, we will shortly receive a notification. Now, this may take about a minute or so to arrive, depending on the refresh rate of your app. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and add a couple other alerts. If we hit add alert, we can add an alert if the cost goes below, let's say, $10. We can also add an alert. There we go, we see we have our alert right at the top there, but let's go ahead and add another alert if the quantity falls below 12. Let's set that alert, and now we have 3 alerts set. We even see that it was flagged at that time, and if we ever want to edit these alerts, all we'd have to do is click on the little pencil icon and we can edit them, or click delete to delete the alert. We can also see these alerts back on our home page. Right here we see a notification, item flagged as need to recharge for AA batteries. We also see the alerts page right here on the home screen where we can click it and see all our different alerts, when they were last triggered and why they were triggered. That does it for today, and you know a little bit more about alerts and flagging. Thanks for listening and happy organizing.